Okay, here we have another word problem where we also have to predict our products. We have manganese 4 chloride solution reacting with magnesium iodide crystals. So same thing that we did when we did the word equations. We just start on the left. Manganese 4 Mn plus 4 chlorine minus 1. So we had to do a crisscross. Solution, remember solution or acid is aqueous, AQ, is reacted with magnesium plus 2, iodine minus 1. Still write those charges every single time, and then you can see if it's a basic ship or if you have to do a crisscross. We need to do a crisscross there. Crystals, that gives me an indication that it's a solid. And I see this is a double replacement reaction because I have a couple and a couple. So I know I need cation swap. So I'm going to write arrows between my cations. So my magnesium will now be with chlorine, and my manganese will now be with iodine. Mg plus 2 Cl minus 1. Magnesium chloride, he's aqueous, plus manganese plus 4 iodine minus 1 MgI4, and he is actually also aqueous. Okay. And now I'm going to rewrite the sentence again with my little lines in front for balancing, and I'm not going to include the charges because that's only there for us to construct our words. Once they're constructed, we don't need to show any of that. So always make sure you do that step because this is what you would be boxing for your answer at the end. Okay, I don't see any diatomics, so I'm just going to have manganese, chlorine, magnesium, and iodine as my reactants and products. And just go slow because this one's here just to throw in a couple different items for you. One, this is Cl, capital C, lowercase l, so it's for chlorine. This is capital I, so it's iodine. And manganese and magnesium, so go slow. 1 manganese, 4 chlorines, 1 magnesium, 2 iodine. Okay, and these aren't just trick questions just for the heck of it. We do need you to be super, super careful in chemistry. You don't want to mix the wrong 2 chemicals together. So details matter. Okay, so now we have the initial setup. We are not balanced. Okay, so I'm going to change my chlorines first. I'm going to put a 2 in front of here. 2 times 2 is now 4 chlorines. And now I have 2 magnesiums. And now I notice that both magnesium and iodine are offset by a factor of 2. Okay, 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So that means I just need to add a 2 in front there. And that gives me my 2 magnesiums and my 4 iodines. Make it pretty by putting in my 1 coefficients there. And this is a double replacement, predicted products, and it is finished. Oh, but one other just thing. If you ever notice that you have 2 aqueous in a double reaction, technically there's no reaction. Okay, because we don't have a driving force there. We don't have one of the guys wanting to leave the aqueous town.